Hands-on demonstration on data processing and data management. Download and open the file.
So we have 4 files all in all. Then once na-download nyo na po, kindly click or kindly open the said files if it's working. Kasi minsan po baka may issue siya. Ayan. Okay, so once you open the said files, so i-share ko na din. Ito muna. So we'll go for ating first form. So we have the scholarship application form. So if na-download na po natin to, kindly check po if same po tayo na nakikita sa nakashare sa ating screen. Ayan. So dapat ito po yung mga files. So yung 2 out of 4, first is yung PDF natin, scholarship application form. Then yung isa is yung dating data dictionary. Ayan. So we also have the applicant's PDF. So we have 3 PDF files, then 1 Excel file. So dapat yung Excel file po natin is yung data processing and management, iba-ibang worksheets or may iba-ibang nakalagay sa baba na skills review, data dictionary, encode, scholarship application, then age array. Ayan. So first, ayan, open na po natin yung file, yung application form. So ito po dapat yung laman niya. Ayan. Okay, full screen ko na po. So yung scholarship application form. So ito po usually yung mga pinapasagutan ng ating mga LGUs. Ayan, sample form lang po to na ginawa ng PSRTI for SDG. Ayan, so ito po yung file. Pakibuksan na lang po ulit yung scholarship application form na PDF file. So once we open the said file, ito po yung laman niya. Okay, so ito po yung laman. So this is an example lang po ng survey form or form na pinapasagutan ng mga LGUs sa ating respondents. So ito po yung specific example is for scholarship application. So kung halimbawa nag-offer ng scholarship yung LGU nyo or mga certain na locally elected na officials, so ito po yung papasagutan na form sa kanila, then gagawa po tayo ng data out of it. So again po, ito ay simple lang. Pwede po kayong gumawa ng sarili nyo form, then mag-generate database out of it. Okay, file. Ayan. Okay na po tayo sa scholarship application form. So check naman po natin this time is our data dictionary. So ipo-full screen ko po ulit. Ayan. So yung data dictionary, kung naalala pa po natin yung discussion kanina, kay Miss Jel, it's a collection of names, definitions, attributes about data elements. So basically, ito yung magagamit natin na guide later on sa paggawa natin ng ating sariling database. Okay po, so data dictionary, we have a column for variable label, variable name, yung type ng data, then the definition, and then the code. So next, 2 out of 4 na po. So yung next file natin is itong applicant's PDF. So technically, yung pinagkaiba lang itong applicant's PDF sa ating pinakaunang file, yung scholarship application form is ito, filled up na siya. Okay po? So as you notice, ito may mga numbers, may text na siya, then may mga values na cross out, and so on. Okay po? So same lang din po tayo na nakikita kasi later on gagamitin po natin to file na to. Okay, so last is ito na, yung bulk or yung meat ng ating hands-on is yung dito na sa ating Excel file. So, yung data processing and management. Okay po, so sa data processing and management file, ito po yung content niya dapat, by default, dapat pupunta sa ating pinakaunang worksheet, yung skills review. Then, pwede po natin i-click yung nasa baba. If same po, if lahat may laman, maliban sa isang worksheet, which is encode. Okay po, so dapat lahat may laman except encode. Dapat blank po talaga siya.